Hello, in this video, we'll be passing a value from a child component to a parent component. Following are the sections for this video. First, we will indicate that our child component has a props. Next, we'll be exposing a method in child component using props. Next, we'll be adding a handler to our parent component. Lastly, we'll pass that handler to our child component. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this Github repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. In Visual Studio Code, let's run the application, Ctrl+, cd props, npm start. So once started, you should be able to see the form we have created before. For now, ignore the warning, we should get rid of those later. For the first step, we will add the props in our child component. So let's go to props, close this first. And inside the form, which is our child component, let's add props here. Okay. Next, we'll be adding a method. So in the submit handler, let's remove the logging and then create props that on add membership. So this will be our new method. So we'll pass in the new membership. Okay. Next, let's go to app.js, wherein we call this membership form. Here on top, let's create a handler. So const add membership handler equals, so we'll pass in new membership, and then we'll update the membership list. So we'll set memberships, which is here, the state here. We'll set it to previous memberships goes to return previous membership dot concat new membership. Okay, save. Then lastly, we'll be using that. So let's add here in the membership form on add membership, add membership handler. Okay, and then let's uncomment this membership list so we can see the result. Save. Now going back to our page, so we can see here the membership form, and then here are the tiers. So let's add diamond. So diamond, and then the title diamond. So we just add the description here as an example. Then we submit. So now you can see here the diamond was added and the description was added. So to clear this form, we can either use do it the same way as the reset form, or we can hide the form once we click submit. I'll not be doing that here since it's beyond the scope of this video. So to summarize, we can pass a value from a child component to a parent component. First, by creating a method in the child component, then handling that method inside the parent component. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.